Fasting isn't just about food and water. It's a powerful reset for both the body and mind. But did you know it can also play a big role in addiction recovery and mental health improvement? Today, we're diving deep into how fasting can bring mental clarity and help overcome cravings, especially during Ramadan. 1. The mental and emotional benefits of fasting. During fasting, our body enters a detox phase, not just physically, but mentally as well. Research suggests that fasting can help reduce anxiety, depression, and even symptoms of addiction. It teaches discipline, patience, and self-control, 3 key elements in overcoming any addiction. When we fast, our brain releases more serotonin and dopamine in a balanced way. This helps improve mood and reduces the need for unhealthy coping mechanisms like smoking, drinking, or excessive screen time. 2. Managing cravings and triggers during fasting. But let's be real, cravings can be tough, especially if you're trying to recover from an addiction. So, what can you do? 1. Deep breathing and meditation. Whenever a craving hits, try deep breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. This helps calm your mind and reduce the urge. Spiritual connection. Prayer, reciting the Quran, or even journaling your thoughts can shift your focus from cravings to self-improvement. Stay hydrated and eat right. When breaking your fast, choose foods that stabilize blood sugar, like dates, fruits, and lean proteins. This prevents mood swings that might trigger old habits. 3. The power of community and support. Addiction recovery isn't a solo journey. Ramadan teaches us the power of community. Join supportive groups, share your struggles, and find strength in unity. Remember, every step you take towards self-discipline and self-awareness brings you closer to freedom from addiction. Fasting isn't just about abstaining from food, it's about purifying the mind and soul. If you or someone you know is struggling, Ramadan can be a great opportunity to reset, refocus, and heal. Let's support each other and make this journey meaningful. Share this video with someone who might need it. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.